girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. And bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feeling's faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now the talk at the corner store is I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this. Been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia, Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. For the fool, but I love me a bitch. You don't did it, she my little secret. Trying to dish me, know about people. I can't respond with just do what you pick with. I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit for one being, I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Allove hair and today I'm reviewing a 4x4 closure unit from them. This did come in a body wave texture, but I did decide to just go ahead and flat iron it. And I wanted to do like a bust down middle part, but like no baby hairs, just like very sleek, and that's exactly what I was able to achieve with this unit. I really like how flat it is. It's like so flat, and I was able to tame the flyaways in this unit, which I was worried about at first, but y'all know me, I always know how to finesse and make it work. And the key way to do that is just to get like some hairspray and a comb, spray it on your comb, and then like literally comb it down, and then voila. And then it adds like a shine to it as well, so you have that aspect of it. And then like, look how perfect I got my part. And I did that using the Clairol Root Corrector pen. That is literally my essential. I have to have that, and it lasts you a long time. That's like still the first one I ever bought. I had bought 2 in like 2 different colors, and I still have both of them. And I bought that like years ago. So it's definitely worth the investment if you were looking into buying one of those, because it's super bomb. It gets your part like just perfect. And they come in different colors. Like I said, they have a dark brown one, and then they have like a jet black color. So depending on the color of your hair, you know, you can switch up your root, you know, so love that about it. But this hair, you guys, is just so silky straight. It flat irons beautifully, and I like the fact that it's just like, it flows really pretty too, you know. It's just like when I move, you know, my hair moves with me, but it's not like all frizzy, you know what I mean? It just gives like hair commercial kind of vibes, like, in my opinion. It's giving perfection. Y'all see the beautiful luster in this hair, and I didn't put any product on this hair. I didn't even use a heat protectant spray or oil today, you guys. I literally just like flat ironed the hair without using any protection. And you guys know me, I always use some type of heat protectant, like either the serum or the spray, but I never flat iron my hair without it, just because, you know, you don't want to damage the hair. But I will say, for me to have flat ironed it like without any protection, it just did so well. And I love the fact that like the ends aren't like all fried. But the only thing that I will say about this hair that is pretty obvious at this point is just that it's just on the thinner side. But if you're fine with that, then, you know, this is the perfect unit for you, because it's more so on the lightweight side. But if you want something a little bit fuller, you can definitely go up in the density and just get a thicker unit. But this is how this one comes. I'm not sure on the density for this one, but I would say it's between 150 to 180% density, nothing more than that. It's definitely on the lighter side as far as the density. So that's the only con that I would have. And you can tell, like, you know, even if I stand up, you guys can see like it's just on the thinner side. And this is with all of the hair up front. So there's that aspect of it. So just something to keep in mind. But like, look at the beautiful luster. Like, for me to not have put anything on this hair, like, it just looks so healthy, so pretty. Like, there's no oil sheen or nothing on this hair. Like, this is just how it looks when you flat iron it out. And as far as customizing goes, I did not pluck this unit, but I did bleach the knots on it, and that's the only thing that I had to do. Because I knew I was gonna just have like a bust down middle part, there was no need for me to like pluck it and do all of that. And then sometimes when you pluck it, like, it can give like over plucked, and I don't like that kind of look, especially when you have like a middle part, because once you over pluck it, it starts to look like a bald spot. And I like that everything is nice and full all the way through here. It's very sleek and flat, and it just shows you like you literally don't always need to have like the baby hair. I know like for some people, like the baby hair is like a crutch because their lace is not lacing. So people like to cover up that lace with all the baby hairs, but when your lace is giving, you don't have to do all of that. So this lets you know that, yeah, you don't have to do that. This is a closure unit, by the way, like I told you, and it is a glueless install. So I did not use any product to adhere this unit, which means this is the perfect unit for people who are on the go. If you need a time saver unit or just something you just want to put on to run errands, this is going to be the perfect unit for that. Everything is done. Like, you don't have to worry about like doing the baby hairs and trying to make sure, is my lace laid and all of that. You don't have to worry about that. This is a good, like, literally put it on, maybe freshen it up with like some curls or flat iron it real quick. And this hair is like bone straight, so you won't need to like flat iron it like crazy. Like, you know, you'll be good. So love that about this unit. Now this is a 26-inch unit. I am 5'2" for reference, but on me, you guys, this definitely gives like 30 inches. Like, it is so long. You get the 30-inch look without the 30-inch price, you know what I'm saying? Because it's only 26 inches. And if you want to, you can definitely curl it. Curling it or crimping it will be perfect. I think this hair will look really pretty crimped, especially because it is just like a bust down middle part. It will look real, real good crimped. So this is what it's looking like, and then this is where it's hitting on me in the front. Okay, and then in the back, like, y'all see how that flow like that? Yeah. So we love some good flow here, but you see what I mean by it gives 30 inch, because like, look, it's like almost to the end of my butt. I feel like Allove is one of those companies that like people sleep on, they don't really know about, but they definitely have some really good units. I've done a lot of reviews for them in the past. If you just look on my channel, you can like just go to my channel and then put in Allove, and then you'll see like all the videos that I've ever done with them. And they always have really good units. Like, they have some, and I've reviewed like different types of units from them, like a huge variety. So if you don't want to just look at straight hair, I've done like some curly hair reviews for them. I've done some colored hair reviews from them as well. So they have a huge variety of units on their site, and really good quality, as you guys can see. And you will definitely save yourself some money and look like a bad one the next time you step out the door. So if you are interested in picking up this unit and you want to try it out yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover, I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Allove Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I want to give a big shout out to all of my subscribers, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.